Welcome to The Breakers! Dito kami dumaan sa kabilang entrance kasi umihi muna pagdating. It took us nearly 2 hours to get to here from our home. So this mansion was built in 1892. Nasunog kasi it's made of wood. And then they built this new one made out of cement. And it took them 3 years to finish everything. Most of the things that we can see in this mansion is gawa pa sa Europe. The ceiling, the chandeliers, even those tiny decorations. By the way, this is George Vanderbilt. Siya yung nagpagawa ng mansyon na to. He's a third generation Vanderbilt. Sa totoo lang, hindi namin alam kung sino siya. We just researched after we went home kasi nagtaka kami kung sino siya and why is he on that part of the house naka-display kasi madami mga portraits sa iba't ibang parts ng mansion na to. Amazed na amazed talaga yung asawa ko sa hagdan and sa fountain under the hagdan. Ako naman amazed na amazed sa mga chandeliers and sa mga ilaw. As in, sobrang laki. Can you imagine guys, dati puro gas yan, wala pang electricity that time. So this part here is their dining area kung may bisita sila. And they also have a small dining area for themselves. Sobrang laki din ng mga fireplace nila to warm up the place or the room. So lumabas kami ng mess hall and ito na nga, balik kami sa main hall nila kung saan ginaganap yung mga sayawan. Ako pa talaga na may vertigo yung nagyaya na mag 360 kami sa loob ng The Breakers. If you notice, this place is so extravagant. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? The Nova rich are not accepted by the old rich in this era. And the whole point of building this is for them to be accepted by the old rich. Sino nga ba ang mga considered na old rich? Back in this era, the considered old rich are the ancestors of the Pilgrims who established the United States. Vanderbilt and Rockefellers are still considered Nova rich, but sa time natin ngayon, they are part of the old rich in this country. This part of the house is the one that we see in HBO Max. This is where they did the debut of Gladys Russell. Which I think meron ding Gladys na anak ang mga Vanderbilts. Bibisitahin natin mamaya yung room niya sa second floor. This part of the house is the office of George Vanderbilt. Naglaging pa talaga ako kasi muntik ko na sabihin George Russell. Si George Russell yung nasa HBO. He's just a character. He's a combination of George Vanderbilt and Jay Gould in the series. And they're the reason why my husband bought the ticket and invited me to see the museum. We are now at the center of the music room where the debut of Gladys Russell was filmed in HBO Max series. These furnitures are original and a lot of them are still being restored in the 3rd, 4th, and 5th floor. That's why those areas are still restricted to the public. So this is their morning room. This is where they usually have breakfast, especially the ladies of the house. And we're back again at the main hall, nawala. And we're looking for the entrance to the 2nd floor. We ended up in the billiard room. So this is where Mr. Vanderbilt bring his male visitors or guests. This is where they enjoy their cigarettes and alcohol and light conversation about politics and whatever current events. So yun na nga, nawala kami. So bumalik kami sa dinaanan namin and we ended up here. So this part here is where Marian Brooke had her moments. Oh, we finally found the steps to the second floor. May iba nga pala tayo. This dress, I've tried this dress like million times. Million times. Hindi, maraming beses ko siyang trinay because I got this dress from last year, 2024. Hindi talaga siya magkasya sa akin. But on this day, I just tried it on and wala. Nagkasya ako, so why not award this dress on this day? Which I think is parang bumagay siya sa theme ng place. This dress is very Victorian. Kaya feel ko talaga pumunta sa museum na to suot ang dress. Anyway, we're on the second floor and it's so pretty. Looking down, especially yung ceiling, mas makikita mo talaga yung gilded na ceiling. So we are now at the room of Gladys Vanderbilt. And she's a countess. I think she's the one that married the Duke. So maging nosy neighbor muna tayo. That's the entrance. That's where we walk going to the mansion. You imagine that? We are now at the room of George Vanderbilt.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that.
Very regal and masculine. Char. Bawal nga pala hawakan ng kahit na ano na naka-display, guys. For your eyes only. I wonder why they allow people to walk in the carpet, though. Because downstairs, you're not allowed to walk on the carpet. We skip 2 rooms. One is of Alva Vanderbilt. Sayang. Anyway, this is their terrace facing Atlantic Ocean. So this is the part where the public are not allowed to step on the carpet. At the other end of this stairs is the 100-year-old elevator. So we went downstairs and headed to the kitchen. Below the kitchen is the gift shop and the comfort room for the public. We are now looking at the gas stove. It's 100 years old and is still functional. If you are still watching this video, I would like to thank you for supporting us. And sa mga gala namin, we hope to see you in the next one. Ingat po kayo.